There's some more Nerf AccuStrike.
Are these so cool?
How much for these ones? Yeah.
Well, where?
Tie.
Thank you.
I made their own comic books. That's cute. How much are the Sharky bucks?
How much are the Sharky butts?
I don't know.
Say 50 cents each. 50 cents each.
Can I get one?
Sure. I'll get.
You got 2 quarters?
Yeah. I'll get this one.
I get 2 for $1.
I like your tracksuit.
Here, I'll do 2 for $1.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, you too. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Good luck with your sale, guys. Yep. Get some Sharky bucks.
I just bought it from some package.
Yep. Who knows? Maybe it'll be worth $1 million one day.
It's interesting.
Your back hurt?
Morning.
Morning. How are you?
Good, sir.
Oh, no way. There's
A Swagway.
Yes, sir.
The younger brother of the Segway.
I got games over here for the PSP and for the PS3.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah, look at all this stuff. Oh, you priced everything? That's good. PS3.
What is this?
What is that?
So that's actually included with the drive over here.
Oh, okay. I was trying to figure out what it was.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh yeah, you got the little eye toy. The PS
Yeah,
Move.
so that's the Move. So
Yeah.
you hook this up. Now, normally, like Walmart will have it for 128, just the camera, 1 controller in the game. So you
Yeah.
got 2 controllers, the camera, and the game. I'm asking for 80.
Okay.
And then there's a bunch of other games that go with it. The game has to say PlayStation Move.
Oh,
So
okay.
you'll use it with this.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Huh, UMDs, like for PSP or something,
Yeah,
right?
PSP, correct.
Yeah. You gonna start your photography career? Pants.
Yeah, that's actually what I got it for my son.
Oh, really? Nice.
Oh yes, it was.
What's the best you'll do on that?
Do you have an offer?
Skylanders.
I'll do 3/4.
That's fine.
Don't. Remember last time we did that?
Thank you.
What is that? Your aunt would like these. Look, she's got her dolphin mailbox and stuff. Ooh, what is this? Type of cheese. Hard cheese. The cheese thing. That's cool.
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah, we went the wrong way. Can't get past that way.
Oh, I keep seeing cheese.
Telescope is cool. $10 for the whole box. Oh, watch out. Sorry.
Oh boy.
What is this? An XM? 20 bucks. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Pop goes perfection. Oh, let's see what we got here. Here's a hat. You said you were cold. Oh, they got the ripsticks, Elijah.
Yeah, I saw.
Those are kind of fun.
That's our camera.
Where?
That's a tiny one.
I kind of want this. I might buy it for $3. The Bluetooth headset. And this singer thing. Yeah, what is in that? I couldn't figure that out.
The camera.
No, in that thing.
Oh, this?
Yeah, it's like, what, like, is it like just a little book?
Hold on.
Here, I'll hold that. You got a little camera?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, some sort of book or something, like a leather-bound book. Oh, it's a wallet. Huh. That's nifty. Oh, that's that radio.
We've got a lot of these mini
It's kind of cool.
What?
3 megapixels.
So, huh?
Don't do it.
How about this one?
It's all about the megapixels for the picture quality. The higher the megapixel, the better picture it takes.
That one?
This one is 12 megapixels. That's pretty nice. This one will take good pictures. I would ask them about this. Oh, wait, they've got it. Oh, it's $10 though. This one is... That one's an old film camera. No. This one's solid. That would take good pictures. That's pretty cool.
Ready to move on?
$10 for a whole bag?
Yeah, I mean that one is definitely. I don't have my
Ask
phone.
for like a lower price.
Yeah, that's what I would do. I think it's solid, but I don't think it's.
6.
Ask for the world. Oh, we're taking saves now. $2 for a webcam.
That's how I'm like mom. I don't want to incite the people.
They'll be alright. Brand new remote. 30. I don't know. It's a lie. You can go talk to him.
Anything else or?
Yeah.
Well, he's got his own money. And I'm still shopping. He's fine. This is cool. Pass the pigs.
Thank you.
You good? Oh, you gave him 10? Would you do 10 for all this stuff?
Yeah. That's all.
Am I overpaying? 6, 7, 8, 9? I am. Let me find one more thing. How about throwing the remote there?
Yeah,
Little
that's
center?
fine.
$10?
That'll be 10, yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm negotiating backwards. You got a 10 you can give me back, or the 2 5s you get?
Yeah.
Cyclical. Thanks, man.
Cool. Thank you.
I kind of want that Sirius radio.
That's interesting. Little dimmer.
It's both things. So that's the radio
Oh.
that you can put in your car, and then that's for like a boombox.
20.
That's kind of neat.
20 though.
What's the lowest you guys would do on this Sirius radio?
I think that comes with this as well.
Yeah, I think that's like the
Yeah.
that's a box for this piece, I think. Right?
Do 12?
Yeah, I'll do 12 on it. Let me see. And I think it'll work with my current subscription, but we'll find out.
Yeah.
I think I might have exact
Oh,
change.
yeah, awesome.
10, 11, 12.
All yours then.
There you go. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. And I paid,
You paid him.
Tim for that. Cool.
There's that.
Thank you. Can you grab that? All right, cool. Thanks, man.
Have a good day.
You too.
The ground.
Some books and stuff. Some golf clubs. Oh, bench grinder.
Name a number if you don't mind.
Oh, look.
When you go to put it up.
Yeah,
You wouldn't
well,
mind singing me.
We haven't listed it yet, but we have.
Someone's telling me Nerf guns are good. These ones I know are good because we had them and they're expensive.
Should we get them?
This house is
They're in
for sale.
bad condition.
They are.
Yeah.
Where about in Utah?
Just south of Salt Lake. Town called Highlands.
Are these clothes?
Everything here is $1 each. That's fabric, mostly some blankets. Those are $1 each.
Okay. Do you know they work?
They work.
Okay, cool.
There were 4 of them.
I know, we're missing a blue one,
One
right?
of them did not work, so I threw it
That's okay.
away. And you do need to put AA batteries on
Yeah.
the bottom there.
Okay.
Hey, man, you mind if I just take a peek in your backyard?
That's fine. Material.
You buying one?
Yeah, that's material.
That's
I'll buy these
mostly,
too.
Yeah, that's mostly fabric, blankets.
Yeah. They were all $3.
$4. Awesome. Have fun with those. My boys, I have 3 boys and 2 girls. My 3 boys had so much fun with those guys.
Take the whole room.
There's some more Nerf AccuStrike.
Are these so cool?
How much for these ones?
Those are $1 each also, but I don't have the darts for them.
Oh, we have darts.
Oh, right on.
We got all that.
And they go in, like you shoot this.
That makes
Is
it.
what it's meant to
Okay.
shoot at that. There's no batteries in that. I don't
Gotcha.
think, right now.
You do $3 for all of it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
$1 a piece of fabric. Any piece of fabric is $1.
1, 2, 3. There you go. We're gonna have some fun with this.
Yay! A big battle, I hope.
Yeah,
A friendly battle.
of course.
Are you looking to move, or somebody looking to move to this area? Do you want it
No,
like
we're
that?
just looking to move.
Oh, okay. Well, we have. There's bags.
You need another. Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you. Said there's bags in here. Grab me one of those blue bags, and I can put all this in there. It's kind of hard to carry. Oh, this is all free.
Oh wait, hold on.
This is a free section. Gotta grab some free stuff on your way out.
Okay, well, there's these.
What are these? Patterns or something?
I was able to grab it, you know.
Chemistry Today. What is that one?
Oh, that's cool. Hold up. Is that like a Bible? Planet Earth,
This is like a Hebrew Bible.
the heavens, physics today, body for life. by
Bill Phillips. I'll take this one. Because it's in a different language. It's kind of cool. Not containers. Don't take the container. Hey guys, thanks for coming on that yard sale with us. Couple decent ones, then one pretty terrible one. That first one, the prices were absolutely ridiculous. I'm not sure if you could see some of the stickers on them, but the prices were outlandish. He had like, I think $75 on a watch. He had $80 on a PlayStation Move, which was crazy. He had all these PS3 games like for $5 each. PSP UMD movies for $4. Like, anyways, that was an interesting one. He had a lot of cool stuff, but prices didn't make sense to me. We then went into one where I got some good stuff and missed some good stuff. I got the Sirius radio, that boombox up there. Tested it, it works great, and it also came with like the actual radio itself, the Sirius radio itself. I'm trying to figure out where I plopped it because I already listed it. There's a couple of things I got there. I got this remote. Looks like it's selling for $10 to $15. I think it was around 15. This is only selling for like 12, and This is like 8, so nothing huge there. Kind of meh. But really the radio is where all the money is on that one. The radio looks like it goes for around 50 to 60, and then the boombox goes for another 50 to 60. So, you know, good $100 at least there at that sale. And then I did miss a telescope. I didn't miss it. I saw it. I said I should buy it, and then I was like, well, I don't want to deal with shipping it, which is silly because I could have just put it in a one of these things, these USPS things. So I probably could have put it in that. Next time I'll buy one. I know they're worth money. I worry about shipping them and breaking them and stuff. Then at the last sale, there was a free book there I haven't looked up, and some Nerf stuff. You know, I bought these for my kids, brand new, a couple years back, and they were like 80 bucks for 2 of them. So I knew they had some value. I looked them up on eBay. Looks like a set of 2 goes for around 25 bucks. So I might list all 3 together, put 40 on them and see if they sell. I can always lower it. These aren't worth much, but this thing, you know, bundled with it, I think if I do the 3 together with that, I can probably get, you know, 30 bucks, because this goes for around 15. These go for like 5 each, so maybe 25 bucks. So yeah, some decent money made. Definitely, I think the best sale was that one in the middle. My son bought a little digital camera, a CyberShot. Looks like with the case and everything he's got, he should be able to get like 28 bucks for it. He paid 6 or 7, so not huge profit, but definitely some profit. But yeah, if you guys want to see what everything sold for, make sure you check out the NC Flipper channel, where I talk about what sold on eBay and all that, and how much I listed it for. Oh, these as well, my son grabbed in the free section. He found a comp of these 2 together. Someone sold them together like this for 15. So he copied that, and I told him just do the same thing with these 2. He hasn't done that yet, but he'll probably do those 2 for 15 as well. So yeah, some money made for him. So that was cool. Oh wait, I think I got this there too. Yeah, this little webcam. I didn't look it up yet, but it was bundled in. It's a Logitech. It's only 720p, but I figure a lot of people are using, you know, remote, so it might have some value. Let me look it up real quick. All right. Okay, so I found this camera. It looks like 17 to 18 bucks. So there's one for 24. I'm not sure. Oh, free shipping. 20. So yeah, that camera will pay for almost everything I spent at that sale, right? I spent 12 on the satellite radio, and then I spent 10 on everything else. So I spent 22. That camera should cover most of it. I love it when that happens, when one thing covers everything. Oh, here's one more thing. I got this thing. I always buy these stinking flight sticks, and they're never worth any money, but I always buy them because I like buying them. It's worth 12 bucks plus shipping, so it's worth a little bit, but not much. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time.